The Rockport test. This test is designed for men and women ages 20 to 69. Fast walking will be required by the participant. Materials needed will be a 400-meter track, good running shoes, loose fitted clothing, heart rate monitor, which is optional, stopwatch, pen and paper to mark down the results. Have the participant do 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. Use a variety of stretching to help loosen the muscles in the lower extremities and so it can reduce risk of any injury. Explain to the participant they will be walking as quick as they can. The amount of laps they will be completing is 4 laps, which is equivalent to 1 mile. As they are walking, make sure you're timing them for each lap so that way when they finish, you have the recorded time. Once the participant completes 1 mile, immediately take a heart rate measurement. You can do this by palpating the radial or the carotid artery for 15 seconds. Once 15 seconds hits, multiply that number that was received by 4 to receive the post heart rate. For the 1 mile walk, this is the equation you'll be using to discover the VO2 max. The information below was the time, the years, the pounds, the heart rate, and the gender received. Plug in the information below into the equation. With that, the VO2 max came out to 57. The 1 mile jog. This is a submaximal test. It's designed for 18 to 29-year-olds, men and women. This test requires the participant to run at a moderate intensity. For the 1 mile jog, the materials needed is a 400-meter track, good running shoes, loose fitted clothing, heart rate monitor, which is optional, stopwatch, pen and paper to mark down the results. Have the participant perform a 2 to 3 minute warm-up to reduce the risk of injury and to allow muscles to warm up. Instruct the participant to jog at a moderate pace. Note that females should not take any longer than 9 minutes and males 8 minutes. Once they complete a mile or 4 laps, take the heart rate for 15 seconds, multiply that number that's received by 4 to get the post-exercise. You can use the carotid artery or the radial artery. The heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. The equation below is to find the VO2 max for the 1 mile jog. The information below that is the gender, heart rate, time, and body weight received. Plug in the information received into the equation. The VO2 max that was received was 64.